Have you ever been asked the question, what is ABA? Have you ever struggled to answer it? Well, you're not alone. This is a question we ask all new therapists when doing their interview or when we play ABA games at the center. And most people will often struggle answering that question. I usually get a blank stare. You, like many others, probably know what ABA is all about, but explaining it, well, that can be a little bit more challenging. So today I want to explain what ABA is so that you can really understand the science. When you think of science, many things may come to mind. I want you to think of science as a systematic approach for gathering information. It's attempting to understand something thoroughly with as much detail as possible. You'll hear me speaking of applied behavior analysis in its abbreviated form as ABA. ABA is the study of human behavior, but more specifically, it is the science that focuses on improving human behavior. ABA is looking at socially significant or important behaviors. We want to address behaviors that will impact and improve someone's quality of life. We don't want to change just any behavior. For example, if you're working with an adult with autism who does not know how to cross the street safely versus doing their bed, both may be essential skills to learn, but one is definitely more important than the other. So teaching your client to cross the street safely would be our top priority versus making their bed. Crossing the street safely is a socially significant behavior. In practice, we want to intervene to help improve behaviors. We may be working on teaching new behaviors or reducing problem behaviors. But it's important that we can demonstrate a relationship between the behavior and treatment. By using a systematic approach, we can show that without treatment, the client was unable to cross the street independently. But with a program that was introduced, the client is now able to cross the street successfully and safely. Practitioners will analyze, design, implement, evaluate, and modify social and environmental factors to make socially significant changes in human behavior. To change behavior, we need to look at all the factors that impact that behavior. Why do you open the window? Probably because it's hot in the room, or maybe you want to air something out. Why do you answer the phone? Well, it's probably ringing and maybe you're expecting an important call. When a behavior analyst or behavior technician look at their clients' behaviors, they want to understand these factors to better help their client.